What's up, dragon fruit guys, New Zealand? If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and share. Peace out. Hey, what's up, dragon fruit guys? This is Primel from Optimus Prime Farmville. As I promised today, I need to create a video regarding to my dragon fruit mini farm. As of today, in Facebook, we are now 600 members here in New Zealand. So I'll teach you how I did my system here in Auckland. Yeah, I started planting dragon fruit last year around March during lockdown, starting with only around 15 cuttings, and right now is the result. Yeah, so from 15, here you go, another here, another here, another here, another here. Yep. Yep. It's already hundreds of rooted cuttings. Currently I got 5 different varieties. First is my 2-year-old red variety. Yeah, as you can see, it's super thick. Look at my hand. That's how big is my other red variety. Yeah. Yeah. It's really big cuttings. Then this is my Colombiana yellow dragon fruit. So how to distinguish this yellow variety? It's pretty thin only. You can see, yeah, it's like smaller than my thumb. And my system, I'm using a plant fiber so that they can attach on the trellis. I will show it to my other videos how to create this one. So as you can see, this is my bright variety. Yep. And this one, do not underestimate if your cutting is so small. This is my cuttings for this one. Single cutting. Yeah, going up, and from the plant fiber, it created aerial roots. Yep, aerial roots are extra. It's extra roots that you can feed using a foliar spray. So when applying a foliar spray, I spray it on this one, on the plant fiber. Yeah, I will post to next video how to purchase this plant fiber. As you can see, it's fully tight. They're touching on the root plant fiber. Yeah. And this is all my cuttings. Yep, this is the golden yellow. Hopefully it's a golden Isis. I got it from Subtropica and Steve. Yeah, I'm using different approach here for this cutting. So I started with this just small cuttings only. So I created an umbrella effect to a 70 liters bin. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty good. Yeah, cuttings pretty big. Yeah, like this one, I tried also using a 20-liter bucket to create an umbrella effect. Yeah, that's my third variety. My fourth variety is the Vietnam red. Yeah, I just started together this one last year also. As you can see, there are tips of vegetative growth. and I'll show you the my technique on my next videos. And this is the Vietnam White, my fifth variety. To distinguish, based on my research, Vietnam White is our universal pollinator here in New Zealand. So if you got other dragon fruits that just flowering and didn't make any fruit, you need to plant this one and to get pollinate from the Vietnam White. To distinguish this one, there's a white edge here. White edge, just to distinguish the Vietnam White compared to the red variety. There's no white edge here. Yep. And I'll tour you to the technique I'm using for propagating. So yep, I'll also drop 1 2 3 4. Oh, this is my last one. I'm still developing this one, the yellow palora. Yep, it's still on vegetative mode, so I'm putting them outside if there's if it's sunny, like this morning until afternoon. Then it's raining now. Yeah, I'll tour you to my system. So usually I cut then I started collecting my companion plants, which is lavender and lupins. This will attract bee pollinators soon or later, maybe next season or next year, for my dragon fruits. So from cuttings, for example, for this one, if the tip is already flat, you can cut it from the segmented part. From that segmented part, like this one, yeah, so cut it from the segment of the dragon fruit, so that you will avoid too much root rot if you cut it in this side. Yeah, so from here, just leave it for a week to dry out this callus, and you can bury it directly to the ground. So just leave it there. And I put it on my mini nursery, which is this area. Yeah, heaps of rooted cuttings already here. Sorry, it's already dark because it's rain. Yeah, all my small cuttings are go here in a 60-liter 35-liter container, and this one and this one. And all the large cuttings, I put it on a 4-liter pot, which is fully rooted already, like this one. Yeah, so when you bury the cutting, it should be at least a ½ inch, because they're getting some roots on the other sides also. So ½ inch to 1 inch. 1 inch the best one, below the soil, like this one. And this is it, the one I've tested the whole year is my potting mix. The one I'm using to create a successful cut propagation is Canatera Professional. Yeah, to my next vlog I show you where can I buy it. Yeah, this is the one I'm using, composed of sphagnum moss, perlite and pre-fertilized minerals. So 12 24 12. And for extra nutrition, I'm using vermicast, brought to you by Minok. So the ratio I'm using is this is a 50 liters one and 10 liters, so 10 liters to 50 liters, that's the ratio I'm using. And the most common problem is who's attacking the dragon fruit is usually the slugs and snails during night, and after that the black ants will also attack them because they're just scratching the surface of the dragon fruit, and they're the one who penetrating the inside one. Yeah, so during night my solution for that is the attractant of beer trap. Always buy a cheap one. This is probably $1.50. Then I put it on the dry area. Open this one. Fresh. Supposed to drink this one, but I need it for my dragon fruit, so I put it on a container like this one. Yeah, like a quarter or half of this one, so it's still not gonna rain on that side. And put to my other area, put on again beer trap. Yeah, oh no, yeah, just leave it there. It will attract slugs and snail. When they drink it, they're gonna be drunk and drowned to the trap. But most of the big ones, based on my experiment for a year, they can survive this one. They are attracting it because of the yeast of the beer. So the other method you can do physically is handpick it during night. So it's a search and destroy every night, so that you can monitor your dragon fruit. Yep, that's all for now. So my objective to this group is to create a community in each region or sub-region, and sooner or later each household can do planting a dragon fruit on their side using a pot, my 70 liters method. Yeah. Yep. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you have question, suggestion, just comment down below to my YouTube channel, and I'll answer it. And I'll do some more videos, probably I think twice a month or weekly. Twice a month is the maximum. Yeah. Right. So yeah, that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Be safe. See ya. Bye bye. See ya.